Injection atropine available form and dose calculations. Atropine is available 1 mg per ml in fuel. Atropine dose is 0.01 mg per kg body weight. How to calculate and dilute atropine? First, we will get 1 mfull of atropine, then we will add 4 ml distilled water. The diluted solution will become 1 plus 5 is equal to 0.2 mg, 0.2 mg per ml diluted. If patient weight is 20 kg, then how much atropine we will give? We know that the dose of atropine is 0.01 and patient weight is 20 kg. Then we will give 20 multiply 0.01 is equal to 0.2 mg drugs. We also know that atropine 0.2 mg drugs is available in the 1 ml diluted. It means we can give 1 ml to 20 kg, 2 ml to 40 kg, 3 ml to 60 kg and so on. Thank you.